Stock review, I want to put something to rest about where we're totally at market wise. You're looking at a 1 year. A little bit at the end of March. We had the big plunge. You see it. And we're gaining, and we got maybe one more quarter. Another 17.99% until we get back to where we were at in late to mid-March. The 3 month. This is the NASDAQ, by the way. Same thing. The 1 month. Obviously, it shows progress, right? The 5-day. Had a big drop last week. And now it's sort of kind of making its way back up. In between the 1st and the 5th of this month. Now we're going to go to the 1 day. Obviously, we had a big drop early in the morning and a considerable rally. The S&P shows that same drop, but a higher velocity just below the NASDAQ with 12.52% to go until it reaches where we were at in mid to late March. Same kind of trend in the 3 month. The 1 month, you see it gaining back. The 5-day, you see that same kind of slump. And the 1 day, obviously, higher. Dow Jones, the 1 year. Same kind of thing. Same kind of higher velocity. Less sideways movement. Same thing in the 3 month, 1, 5, and 1 day. Showing the same thing. The market is trending higher. Still held on to the financials. Couldn't get rid of CMD. UBS still. Everything else sort of kind of flowing in my direction. HDFC, sort of not. Overall today, the volatility index early morning was doing well, but I didn't buy it. Like I said in my last video, I would benefit from a dip in the morning and a surge back to the positive at the end of the day, and that's exactly what happened. And that's exactly where I'm at. P&L looks good. Another day of gains. I took some profits, and I took one major hit because I couldn't sell it off, and then one bad decision which still might pan out. Tomorrow, Tuesday or Wednesday, with the big announcement of another 70 trillion, the Treasury is going to apparently borrow 70 trillion from the Federal Reserve. I'm hoping that will be enough to boost up financials. I'm long on them, even though I'm an impatient trader. I'm sort of looking for the next 2 days for financials to sort of break into the movement upwards. That's what we just looked at, Sci-Fi Banks. I did jump on DHT. Oil is coming back. Dividend Kings doing what they usually do. Overall, things are predictable. I mean, we'd like to see those big gains every single day, wouldn't we? But that's not possible. P&L 1, 2, 3% in the positive every day. Not bad. Better than a bank account. Better than the IRA. Better than a CD. Better than a compound interest. I wanted to make it quick because really not much happened today overall. You know, for me, I need to have 2 big swings, maybe 3. A up, a down, a up, or a down, or up, down, up, to really get movement going to where you can take advantage. Today, it was a down and an up, coming off of a weekend. Sort of tried to get adjusted on Friday. For a Monday, and I think maybe I was, you want to be 2 steps ahead, at the most 3. Anything longer than that, quantum computers can't even do. But overall, if you're following my work, decent day, very little effort, more observation than buying and selling on my part. Because who knows, really, tomorrow? What do you expect tomorrow? An upwards trend? If we get that, we're gonna break back into where we were in late March, early mid to late March. Are we gonna do that in one day? It happens. Is it gonna happen tomorrow? It all depends on what happens in the aftermarket. Can't even tell right now. So expect another report sometime early tomorrow morning. And we'll be able to answer a lot of these questions. I don't want to get into the realm of overthinking things. I see no reason why there shouldn't be an update tomorrow. There's no reason why I don't see a full recovery of the stock market. That's what's predicted. I'm sitting in a bull position right now, just waiting for the surge to come my way. Looking for an exciting day tomorrow. Had no clue sort of kind of predicted what was going to happen today, what would be good for me. Same thing here. I'm going to say the same thing. Down in the morning, up at the end of the day. Why am I saying that? Because the proof's in the pudding. Everybody's still short right now. Even if it doesn't make sense to be short, people are. The sentiment of the market is short. Well, with that said, thank you for tuning in. Like and share, subscribe. Adios.